guys, it's me, Kaylee, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you a squishy package. I'm not going to be looking at it as often because it's like literally a see-through bag. I can see it because a blanket is covering it, and I can see like the bag, and yeah. So I got a squishy package from Amazon. I love you, Amazon. And I'm getting 5 more, so I'm not going to do my squishy collection yet. So let's get on to it, getting it. So I'm going to be closing my eyes, just so you know. And I'm going to do a thing. I'm going to be doing this. So this is I'm going to be closing my eyes, picking a squishy, squishing it in the bag, and then squishing it out of the bag. So they all have individual bags. Booyah! Let's get started. So first, I'm going to close my eyes right now and get the bag. Feel something. Oh, I got this great white shark. It's very airy, but it's very fast rising. So, yeah, let me just crumple it up. Ugh. See? And if you do this, it's very squishy though. So moving on to the next one. This jumbo. Wait, what? It feels big. Oh, look at this. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna be squishing it in the bag, remember? It has this cell phone strap. Ready? Smells like Jelly Rancher. Jelly Rancher. Jelly Rancher, there. Let's take it out of the bag and squish it. It has super smooth. It smells like Jelly Rancher, and it has green with white and cone color. And then it smells like toxic on that cone. So yeah, next one. Let's get this. Ooh, a yellow bear ice cream. These are all mini. Oh wait, are they all minis? Oh yeah, I saw on the thing, when I ordered them, they were all minis, they said. So some of them were jumbo, some of them were medium, some of them were minis. So that's what I remember. I don't know what all of these are, so I don't know the names. I haven't seen them yet, so bye. Oh. So let's take it out the package. Squish it. It's very tiny. It's pretty polarizing, if you can see. Like, I'm gonna squish it on the cone edge. Ready? It fits like my palm, I guess. Yeah, my palm. Jelly Rancher again, like the ice cream cone. Don't mind the crinkling noises, I hope you guys know. Let's go. This. It's a donut. Nice, I like donuts. This is coming off. The drizzle is coming off, but I don't care. Pretty polarizing. Let me just take it out of the package. Oh, it's kind of very smooth. Oh, and all of these, I think, yeah, this one has one, and this one has one, and it already has one. Sure. So, look at it. coming off. I don't care though. It's very sticky. Smells like green jelly rancher again. Oh my gosh. Well, I think the shark smells like nothing. Let me just smell the shark. Ow. Ow. Yeah, it smells like nothing. It smells like completely air. Let's see. This one. Get this. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Well, as you can see, it's a heart. Oh, with that cell phone strap on it. Oh, it has nail polish on it. Like my hand, it has nail polish on it. Focus. Right there. So, this is, let me just do this. This is a, don't mind the crinkle. A very crinkle. So this one, this is a orange face heart bun. Not a bun, I don't know. It's an orange face heart. Oh, it's really slow rising. Let's just take it out of the packaging. Let me see. It's smooth. Because I'm grabbing it. I can't take it out of the package. I can't take it out of the package. It's so weird. Oh, there, right around the spot. Around the spot. Squishy, squishy, squishy. Ooh, I thought I was gonna rip it. Oh no. If I would rip it, I should be so mad. Oh my gosh, I feel that feeling again. I feel that feeling. Oh my gosh. I got that feeling. I think it was gonna happen. Come on, it's so sticky. It is. I can feel it just from this time. I had to stretch it out and got some stick. So it's very sticky. If you can hear that. It smells the same like all of them out. It's a heart. Let's squish it in heart form. Even though it's already a heart. With the face. Look at that face. Look at that face. Let's put that back in. Oh. Some of the paint came off right there. And it has nail polish on it. I don't mind because they're all cheap. Yay! Next. Let's get this. I don't know what this is. I can't open it. It's a turtle. I mean, just kidding. It's a turtle. It's a turtle. It's a turtle. Turtle. It's a turtle. With a face. With a smiley face. Smiley face. Hashtag smiley face. I'm just kidding. Oh, focus. Focus. Focus on the face. Focus on the face. Face. Focus on the face. It's taking over the camera. Oh. Sorry guys, but just look at the face. Okay, enough with that. As a chocolate face, a pink shell, and some itty bitty tapes, and another one going. Oh my gosh! There's another one right there. It's right there. Why would they put it there? Why? And it has a rip. Oh. Okay, never mind. Whatever. Okay, let's squish it in the packaging. Just so you know, this is the I'm guessing they're all minis or jumbo, I don't know. Medium. This is not the Bretto one, because I found the Bretto one. I wanted the Bretto one. This is close enough to Bretto. It's close enough to the Bretto Turtle. Bretto Turtle. the bread out. My gosh. The icing, I mean, the chocolate stuff feels amazing out of here. So, he's so happy. Oh, technical difficulties. Technical difficulties again. Let's squish the little feet. You can barely see that's moving. Ready? Korean. Smells the same again. That's weird. Okay. Let's put it back in the packaging. Oh, and just so you know, it has it right there. See, it's right there. Good. Sorry if I'm looking that way. It's the TV. I like the TV. Mysterious. Oh, I have to put you guys back. The squishies keep on moving it. Okay, ready? Let's pick this. Oh my gosh. There's the big ones compared, and this is so smooth and soft. I think I can. Wait, let me smell the packaging. My talent. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's one of those like buns. I forgot what they're called. This is a pink. Comment down below if you know what this is. I forgot what it is. I watched. There's like jumbo ones. I forgot what this is called, but it's so smooth, soft. Wait, this way. Oh, if you turn it the other way, it's another face. Turn it this way, it's a face. It's happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. So that, oh, it already comes with the cell phone strap, and let's squish it. I know it's not one of those face buns though. Oh, it is a face bun, but I forgot what. Not a blush bun. It's a face bun. Face bun. There's some flesh. Face bun, flesh bun. Sorry if my dog's barking. I don't think you can even hear that. I could, but it's a fuzzy. Don't tell me that. That's where I had it. Ready? Ooh, it's rough. I kind of like that feeling, but in the back it's very smooth. Alright. Ah! Just so you know, these are never going to be like this again. I'm getting braces. So, lucky me. Not right now, though. One of my teeth. Oh, girl. So let's put that in the bag again. Feels like a marshmallow, like half marshmallow, half marshmallow. Oh my gosh, I just grabbed one really quick. Yay! A face melon bun. A melon bun face melon bun. It's a face melon bun. Face melon bun. A melon face bun. Yeah, melon face bun. Melon face bun. Sorry about the peck noise, if you can hear that. It's a, oh my gosh, and it's blue. Oh my, I forgot about that. Okay, it's a melon, wait, a blue melon face bun. Yeah, blue melon face bun. I know I'm not squishing this wrong because I squish all my squishes and you haven't caught me. If you have nothing, okay, if you're a hater, well, there's probably no. The fan's on, so it's like blowing my hair, so it's like, ah. Oh my gosh, I can't take this out. There. I always put them right here. I always put them right here. Right there. If you couldn't see that, oh well. Oh well. Oh, sorry. I was squishing this, and it's not even squishy. It's very slow rising. Well, not very, but it's slow rising. And see, it's blue. It's a blue melon face bun. I like this face bun. It still smells like the green Jolly Rancher. Okay, let's put it back. I don't know why I'm hurrying up. I can take how long I want because it's my squishies, it's my video. Let's get this one. Ah! I'm sorry. I'm just so excited. I got this, like, I think jumbo or no, medium panda bun. If I'm mistaken, comment down below if it's not a jumbo jumbo panda bun. It's the jumbo, or tell me in the comments if it's jumbo. The jumbo girl face bun. I mean panda bun. I think this, tell me in the comments if it's medium or a medium panda girl panda bun or a jumbo girl panda bun, because this looks medium to me. A little bit jumbo, but medium to me. Ooh. Ooh, that's slow rising. That's slow rising. You have to give it to that medium bun. Ah! Ooh, I think no, I didn't pop it. Okay. You have to give it to them. Let me smell it. Let me smell it. If it smells, I'm going to freak out. If it smells like the green Jolly Rancher, I'm going to freak out. Oh my gosh. That is a little bit toxic. Oh my gosh, this is sticky. This is sticky. If you can't. I'm not even going to pull it. I'm just going to be like, ah! Okay, I just pulled it. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth and it's so sticky. In the back, it's so sticky. If you can hear it. Grandma scared me. I'm at my grandma's. No, I deleted it. Sorry for the silence. Okay, here is the medium girl panda bun. It's super sticky if you can't hear the back. Wait. What did I just do? Oh, no, that's nothing. Okay, let's squish the back. Can you even see it? Because it's white. No offense, panda buns. Wait, let me. It's not airy. Okay. Oh, you only see that heart. It smells very good. Look at that face. Let's put it back in the bag. Both of the fans are on. Okay. Not for long though. One of the fans are going to turn off because it's the air vent. I still don't. Wait, what is this? What is this? Okay, I'll squish it in. Comment down below if you know what this is. I forgot what it is. I've seen it before and I like them. This is like one of the baby things, like for babies, and I like them a little bit. Comment down below if you know what that is. Or is it a grown-up thing? I don't know. Or is it like a all kid thing? Well, you don't really need them. There's like a bubble. It's pretty slow, as you can see. If you can see. I'm on my knees and it hurts so bad, so what about if I go on my... Oh my gosh, you can barely see me. Yeah, I have to go on my knees. Wait, guys, I have to get something real quick. Found it! It's for your knees if you're like standing and if you're like you're like bowing on your knees. Oh, not bowing, I mean like going on your knees, and it's very airy. So let me just take this out. My knees hurt so bad, and they finally feel good. They're going back to normal now. Oh my god! Do you know what just broke? Almost broke. This, look at that. Defected. It's defected. I don't really care because of course it's gonna get defects, but of course it's not supposed to. Well, it is supposed to. Okay, never mind, whatever. Well, I don't care because it's cheap. If you can do this, it would be like, I'm a big baby. It is pretty sticky. Have to give it to it. Comment down below if you know what this is. I forgot, and I still have the picture in my head though. It's with a smiley face. I freaked out because it still smells like green Jolly Ranchers. Oh my god! How much of these squishies are gonna smell like green Jolly Ranchers or Jolly Ranchers? Oh my gosh! This, whatever this is. I saw this on it, but there was a jumbo one. I forgot what it is, but it's the pink version. It's the pink version. So yeah, it's the pink version. It's the pink version of. I think this is the reproduced one? No, not the reproduced. Replica, but in mini version. So, comment down below, what is this? I forgot again. Oh my gosh. I know what it is. It's at the top of my tongue. Even on this one. Ravioli! This is ravioli! Oh my gosh, I know what this is. This is a smiley face ravioli. Smiley face ravioli. Yes, I finally know what this is. I am a Tokyo? Is this Ayama? No, this is not Ayama. A crinkle? Oh my god, I'm just kidding. Okay, ready? This is the pink version, and it's the miniature size and the pink version of this cat or dog. I don't know. It's pink. I forgot what it's called. So. Just so you know, I'm gonna figure it out one day or another, or like a month later, August. Oh, it's sticky. I just forgot I can hold that. Wait, let me do it again. Wait again. It smells like another green Jolly Rancher. Okay. This one. It's not the jumbo, but it's the mini. Look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Boom, boom, boom. It's a stack. So I know what this is. It's the blue. The blue bunny, like bread stack? Pancake stack? I don't know, pancake or bread stack. That's what I know. It's a blue pancake, blue bunny face pancake stack or bread stack. Just so you know, I think I know. So far. Okay. Okay, let's squish it. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. And slow rising. Okay. Ready? Battle. Oh, it stopped. Okay. Let's do it like this. Yeah. Feels like a marshmallow. Feels like a marshmallow. That feels so good. Okay, let's take it out of the packaging. Feels like a marshmallow. And the sides feel like melted marshmallow. Oh my gosh. Thumbs up to this. Feels like a marshmallow and... Wait. Oh my gosh. There's these like big, does not taste good. Okay. Thought that would taste like marshmallow, but it doesn't. Wait. These are air bubbles. I just found some air bubbles. Bubbles. Down here. Wait. I think those are air bubbles, or they're just defects. Feels like a marshmallow. Feels so good. My baby. Just get the package. Okay. Let's put it back in the package. This is probably the easiest one to get in the package. Well, not the easiest. One of the easiest ones. The yeah. The orange melon face bun. The orange melon face bun, yes! The orange melon face bun. Dude, this is, guys, it's so cool. Want me to squish it like, ah! Game is time. Okay. Ready? I'm going to take it out of the package. It's sticky. No, it's not that sticky as you thought. As I thought. Okay, it's a little bit sticky in the front, and then in the back it's just very smooth. And it's a little bit sticky. Yeah, it's sticky. Oh, yeah, that's how you call it, sticky. Where's the blue one? Here's the blue one compared to this. Yeah, similar faces. Oh, no, different faces. Wait, let's squish. I know this is not King Squirtle. Wait. Oh, that's not King Squirtle. That's like, which one is the squishiest? Okay, let's see. Both of them. Cute. Sorry. Yeah, let's put it back in the packaging. It's already a long video. Oh my gosh. I love making videos for you guys. The game is fire. Do the masterpiece. Wait, I have to make the thumbnail real quick. After I'm gonna make the thumbnail. After I'm gonna make this the thumbnail, okay? I'm gonna put every squishy in the back. So oh, this. I'm just so excited. It's very soft. Ah! Ay. Ah! Oh! Crap. Okay. Ow, that hurts. Okay. This is the bear head bun. The bear head bun. Let's take it out of the package. I don't know where my other squishy is. I think this is my last one, maybe. I don't know. I have to look in my package. It's sticky. Oh, that's how you call it, sticky. That's what you call sticky. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. About 5 seconds. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty. I'm just making a weird song. Let's get this. Oh! This is my foot. This is my foot. Yeah. I'm just kidding. This is not my foot. But this would be my foot if I was squishy. My foot. Boo, boo. That doesn't even look like that. A foot doesn't even look like that. It doesn't have this right here. It doesn't have that. It just has like a little. It doesn't have like a curve. It has a curve. Oh, it does have a curve. Not that much though. Okay, so this is a pink face foot. Pink face. Pink face foot. Pink face foot. This is a pink face foot. Looks pretty cool. Let's take it out of the package. Kind of smooth. It's smooth. After all, it's a toe. I mean, it's toes. The foot. Why would it be smooth? Well, yeah, some foots are smooth. Okay, yes. Getting to... Hey, it has one of the toenails. Oh, it has all the toenails. Yes. 1 toenail, 2 toenail, 3 toenail, 4 toenail. I'm going to squish all the toes. Now, this one's sticky. Ready? I'm going to squish it like this. Yeah, let's put it back in the pack. Sorry for the silence. Next. Aw, this is so cute. This is all I ordered. Or this is extra. But, no, you gotta be kidding me. Everything smells the same. Like, right now. Except for the shark. My hands are getting sticky because of these. Okay. So here is my blue cat or dog paw. Let me squish it. Now let's take, wait. Now let's take it out of the packaging. Okay, let's not pull it from there. This is so cool, guys. Who said that? Me. What? I'm just kidding. Hello, Ariati. Hello, Ariati. Yeah. So, let's squish it out of the packaging. Squish. I'm Katy Perry. I'm just kidding. I'm not Katy Perry. It smells like the same every day, every night, and I can't help to fry. Ooh, if you can see, I'm recording right here, so you would get to see I'm recording. Haha. Okay, so next. Yes! It's this cat, or tell me if I'm wrong down on the comments. Tell me what these are. So this is one of the flippers. I know it. I know what it's for. I know what it's from, but I forgot the name. This is a yellow cat or this is a yellow cat flipper or dog flipper. I think it's a cat. Obviously, ears, but I'm not sure because I stuttered. Stuttered. What was I going to say? Okay. Okay, let's squish it. That left out a lot of air. Squish it like this. Let's squish this right here. Sorry, my dog. Yeah. Let me spray it. Ooh, it's very. It feels nice. Wait. I thought there was another defect. I'll be like, what? Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. Wait. That's so cool. Look at. I can't help if I'm a fool. Yeah. Now this is how you know it's sticky. It's not going off. Okay, do not do that. Or do it if you want to. Okay, let's squish this part. That would be a good chancleta. That one's nice. I like that one. Sorry, my hair was like tickling my nose. Next. Wait, let me just... This right here. I'm in heaven of squishies. This, fake Hello Kitty donut mini version with the orangish reddish bow, even though it's supposed to be red, and some of the sprinkles coming off and sprinkles. And why is it yellow? Could be like donut shape. Donut at least. Let's take it out of the package. These are like all of them that I opened were like all the way open like that. Ooh, that feels nice and it's very sticky, I can tell. Yeah, that's sticky. That's called what you call sticky. Pretty sore, I think. Let me. Oh my gosh! See, these sprinkles are coming off. Oh my gosh! Another one came off, and another one. Like DJ Khaled said, another one, and another one, another one. That's what DJ Khaled. Okay. About these sprinkles, like DJ Khaled said, another one, another one, another one. See? And keep on getting another one of squishies. This one is, I don't know. I don't know if it's requested, but it's pretty nice. Technical difficulties. Pretty nice. Yay! Sorry for all the silence. I'm gonna edit this after. Maybe. I'm gonna put the thumbnail after this. So, moving on to the next one. Let's get this. Oh, this feels very hard. Just wait a second. Oh! Okay. On with the next. This one already has the strap. Ready, let's squish it. It's very hard though. Ow, it's very dense. Ow, ow. That's not nice. Okay, let's take it out of the packaging and see if it's really dense. Yep, it's really, yep, it's really dense. It's like, oh, that wasn't a good idea. It's pretty sticky. I mean, really sticky. I like that. And it has a lot of colors. I think I like that too. And the face, it's super cute, but I don't like it. I like it, it's just I don't like how it's so dense. I wish it was like less dense. Smells like green Jelly Rancher again. Oh my gosh, I have a full one, like full house of this. So let's get on. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Let's squish it. This is so squishy. This is a macaron. Macaron or macaron, I say both. Let's take it out of the package. Crisp package. I like this. It's a macaron or macaroon. Macaron, macaroon, I say both. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like all of the other ones. Ready? No, keep it down. Yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna squish it and put it back in the package. Go, 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 quick, before it comes. Ah! Yay, I did it just in time. Feels nice. Next. Yeah, I think this is the last squishy. After I pull out this one I'm gonna see if it's the last squishy. Oh, that's so cool. I like this. This is a green toast emoji. Wait. Green emoji bread toast. Emoji toast. Emoji toast. A green emoji toast. This is a green emoji toast with the emoji that's crying joy. It's super happy and it's joy. It's joy. It's joy. It's not that slow-rising. Like I expected this to be slow-rising. I didn't expect all of these to be slow-rising, but they are. After all of this, and after I'm gonna check in the bag, I'm gonna do my thumbnail. So I'm gonna put these all in my bag. Oopsies. Let's take it out of the bag and see it. Ooh, it's smooth. Wait, I haven't even touched it. Oh, it's smooth. It is smooth. Come on. I'll do my squishy collection when I get all my squishies that I have. It smells different. It smells like a marshmallow and then not. There. That's it. Put it back in the bag. And I'm gonna look. Yep, that's the last squishies I'll show you. And there's all these iPhone straps. Thank you for Amazon for getting me all these iPhone straps. They're very nice. I don't know. So let me just put these all in my bag so I can do my thumbnail, and then I'll be done. Then we'll be done with this video. This is the longest video I ever done in my whole entire life. Sorry, guys. So, I'm putting everything in the bag. Like, shoving them in there so I can quickly do my thumbnail because I have to. So I'm shoving them all in there so I can quickly do my thumbnail because I have to eat. Oh my gosh. Ready? There.